Hello everyone, and welcome back. If you want to create amazing AI-generated images and videos without needing professional editing skills, then Google Flow is definitely a tool you should try. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Google Flow from the ground up. We'll create our first AI-generated commercial, edit the generated video, create a consistent AI character, and then use that character in our video. Let's get started. Open your favorite web browser and search for Google Flow. From the search results, open the official Google Labs website. Once the page loads, you'll see an example video at the top, your recent projects below it, and a Create button for starting a new project. Click Create New Project. After a few moments, the Google Flow workspace will load. Before creating our first project, let's quickly look around the interface. In the center of the screen is the main workspace where your generated scenes and videos will appear. On the left side, you'll find the navigation panel. Here you'll see options such as media, characters, scenes, and AI tools. We'll explore these features throughout the tutorial. On the right side is the AI assistant. This assistant helps you create images and videos by understanding your prompts and asking follow-up questions whenever more information is needed. At the bottom of the screen is the prompt box. This is where you'll describe what you want Google Flow to create. Now let's generate our first AI video. Click inside the prompt box and type. Create a short commercial for a company that sells mustard oil. After typing the prompt, click the arrow button or simply press Enter. Google Flow now asks a few additional questions, such as the tone of the commercial, the key moment, and the target audience. Answer these questions according to your requirements, then press Enter again. Google Flow now creates a detailed storyboard for your commercial. In this example, it generates 6 different scenes. Each scene includes a visual description, camera movement, and narration. For example, the first scene shows an extreme close-up of mustard seeds slowly falling into a ceramic bowl with the narration, "Nature's most potent secret," captured in its purest form. The remaining scenes continue building the story until the commercial is complete. Before generating the final video, carefully review the storyboard. If you want to make any changes, simply type your instructions into the prompt box. This step is important because once you approve the storyboard and the video generation begins, it will consume your available credits. If everything is okay, tell Google Flow to go ahead. Google Flow now starts generating the video. Depending on the complexity of your project, this may take a few minutes. Once it's finished, all 6 generated scenes appear in your workspace. Our commercial looks great, but I'd like to change one small detail. In the last scene, I don't like the company name printed on the bottle. Let's update it. Type, in scene 6, change the company name on the bottle to Nature's Gold. Then press Enter. Google Flow updates only that scene while keeping the rest of the commercial exactly the same. Once the update is complete, notice that the company name has changed successfully. After making the changes, let us create video now. It's asking now that the video will consume 15 credits. Let us approve it. After approval, it has started generating the video. The video is complete. To play the video, just click it. You'll also hear the background music and sound effects that Google Flow generated automatically, making the commercial feel much more realistic. Now let's look at some basic editing features. Go back to your project and click Scenes from the left panel. Inside the timeline area, right-click on an empty space. Choose Create Scene. Click on the plus icon to add a clip or scene. All the scenes would be listed here. Choose the one you're working with and then click Add to Scene. If a clip is longer than necessary, simply drag either end of the clip to trim the beginning or the end. You can also add another video clip. Click the plus icon, choose Add Clip, locate the video on your computer, and import it into the timeline. If you want Google Flow to modify any part of your project, simply describe the changes in the prompt box. For example, you can ask it to change the background, replace an object, modify the camera angle, adjust the lighting, or update the narration. Google Flow will apply the requested changes automatically. Once you're satisfied with your project, downloading it is very easy. Return to the main project page. Click the three-dot menu beside your project and choose Download. Google Flow will prepare your video and save it to your computer. Now let's explore one of Google Flow's most impressive features, creating consistent AI characters. One of the biggest challenges with AI image generation is maintaining character consistency. Often, the same character looks different in every image. Google Flow solves this problem very effectively. From the left panel, click Characters. Here you can either create a brand new character by describing it with a prompt or upload a reference image. Let's create one using a prompt. Describe your character. Generate the image. Our character looks good, but I think the apron looks a little dirty. Instead of starting over, simply type another prompt. For example, make the apron clean and neat. Generate the image again. This version looks much better. On the left side, you can rename the character. I'll call him Adam. Just below the name, you can also assign a voice to the character. Once you're happy with the character, click Save in the upper right corner. Now let's use Adam in our commercial. Return to the main prompt area. Click the plus icon and choose Characters. Select Adam from your saved characters. Now describe the scene you want to create using Adam. Submit the prompt. If Google Flow suggests any changes before generating the scene, review them carefully. If everything looks correct, approve the generation. After a short wait, the updated scene is ready. Let's play the video.
Welcome to Pure Health. Nature's gold is pure energy. It's fresh, delicious, and so good for you. From our fields to your table, it's pure gold.
As you can see, Adam now appears in the commercial while maintaining the same appearance throughout the scene. This makes Google Flow an excellent tool for creating advertisements, marketing videos, educational content, storytelling, and branded videos with consistent characters. I hope this tutorial helped you learn the basics of Google Flow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tutorials on AI tools, Google Workspace, Windows, Android, and productivity software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.